Hello, namaste, welcome to Greet Tarot. So, how are you? I hope you're doing good. Okay, so if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel uh, by liking, commenting, subscribing. So, whenever you subscribe to my channel, please press on the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload. Okay, so if you have already subscribed, thank you so very much for subscribing. It means a lot to me for supporting me. Thank you so very much. In the description box, I have my Instagram page link. So if you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow. And the decks that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box. Okay. So today's pick a card reading is about April month, how your April month will be, what will be the overall energy for your April month. We'll be pulling out some affirmations at the end of the reading so you can know what affirmations you need to focus on. So yeah, so that's it. So that is going to be the reading for today. April predictions for 2021. So I have three cards over here, and on top I have three crystals also. You can go by the pictures of the cards or by crystals. Okay, so for the first, for group number one, I have this aquamarine crystal. For group number two, I have I have this aventurine. And for group number three, I have this rose quartz. Okay, so close your eyes, relax, let go of all the worries, let go of everything, don't think anything, and then just connect with yourself and select a photo, select a card or a crystal. You can go by crystal or card, but pictures, okay, however you connect. But don't go with eyes, connect intuitively, and the timestamps will be in the description box. So if you want more time, please pause the video, take your time, and remember these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind. So yeah, so I'm gonna go with group number one. So group number one, if you choose this aquamarine crystal, then this is your reading with me for April predictions for 2021, and the card you have chosen is beginner's mind, first breath. Okay, so with this card, what I feel like, April month, it will be like you'll be feeling like that 2021 has started now only. You'll be feeling new, like a new year vibe I'm getting here. Finally you are feeling like that. Till March it was like 2020 only, nothing was going forward, or you were not feeling that kind of new energy, because when new year comes we feel new sometimes. Now we feel like that year has ended, now we will feel new, but you didn't feel it till now. But in the April month I feel like you will be feeling very new. For many of you, you will be letting go of things that is not serving you. Like when we wake up in the morning, when we have that first drop of the water, we feel good. Like that kind of energy I'm feeling for you guys. So you will be feeling very good in the month of April. So if you have been doing certain things in your life that was not working, I feel in the month of April you will be taking a step back from that and thinking differently, like a beginner's mind. Okay, so if you have been doing a project, it was not working the way you wanted, so you'll be stepping back, you'll be thinking, and completely you will get a new idea. I'm getting something different, something new will come. And so yeah, new things are coming your way. So that is what I feel like in the month of April. Newness, maybe join, for some of you, you might be joining into a new exercise program. Maybe you will start dieting, maybe you will change the wardrobe, maybe you will buy some plants, maybe you will do some interior decorations in your home, like maybe you'll be cleaning or something like that. Changes, some changes will be there, and you will be feeling very new. For some of you, I feel like when we declutter we feel new. Sometimes if we change the furniture, in our house, we feel new. That kind of newness, something you will be doing and you will be feeling very new, like new energies, new ideas, new inspiration you can expect in the month of April. And we have the number 21, and it is sums up to 3. So with this 3 number, yeah, a little bit growth. With this new idea you will grow. I'm getting something new. For some of you, it can be like a new relationship coming, a new job, or something like that you have been waiting on. But maybe you will join a new course, or maybe you will yeah, something like that, something new. Definitely will be feeling very new. Whatever, if you are not doing something new, then too I feel you will be feeling new. You will be feeling good. You will be feeling like, yeah, I'm feeling good. That kind of energy inside, you will be feeling good. So yeah, for some of you, you will be taking care of yourself, pampering yourself, maybe changing your style, maybe changing your routines, and because of that you will be feeling new. Maybe you have been disciplined and doing the things in order. Maybe you will change your style. Maybe you will take a step back and you will be feeling relaxed. That kind of energy in the month of April. Okay, so something new. For some of you, it can be a new idea that you will be pursuing in the month of April. But anyways, it's something new, something new. Okay. And with this aquamarine, go with the flow of life. Don't stress too much. I am getting that energy also. So let's see what else for group number 1 for the month of April. Okay. A lot of cards. Okay. So for group number 2, what is the main energy for the month of April? So how the April will be? Okay, Gemini, butterfly, transformation, definitely feeling new, new ideas coming your way, new thoughts, definitely, I have to say that your thoughts are also going to be very important in the month of April. So don't take something from the past that is not good for you. Release that, okay? Release your I'm getting release your expectations and keep on doing the work. You will see the results, okay? That is also coming. And look at the butterfly. I'm getting you will be feeling very free. You will be feeling very light in the month of April, not very stressed, not anxious at all. You will be taking it slow. You will not be in a hurry. You are changing your energy. That is what I feel like. Maybe exercising, feeling good about yourself, feeling good about your body. That kind of energy I'm getting, where you will be relaxed. Maybe for some of you, you might go out, have some quality time with your friends and family, talking, laughing over nothing. So that kind of energy is there. I'm getting, yeah, finally a relaxation I feel for you guys. And with this Gemini, the butterfly, a lot of Gemini energy is all about communication. I'm getting communication is coming your way. For some of you, you might get some communication from some person that will make you happy, maybe a new relationship. As I said, you will be talking to new people and you will be feeling like literally like a new life. For some of you, it can be a new job. For some of you, you might be making new friends. For some of you, new ideas will be coming and you will be feeling very good about it. When new ideas, maybe for some of you, you have been creatively blocked, and in the month of April, you will be getting a lot of ideas, a lot of inspirations out of nowhere, and you will be very happy about it. So that is what I feel like the butterfly. For some of you, till March, you were feeling like you're a caterpillar, you're not moving anywhere, you're not going anywhere. But in the month of April, I feel like you will be the butterfly, where a lot of changes are gonna happen for you guys. Maybe, as I said, for this pile, you were feeling like 2020 till March, and now in the April month only, you will be feeling like 2021 vibes, okay? That is what I feel for you guys, okay? For some of you, you can expect some communication. If you have been waiting for the letter, email or something, maybe that will come in the month of April, okay? So that is also I'm feeling. So let's see what else for my group number 1 people. What is the overall energy for the month of April for my group number 1? What do they need to know for the month of April? What's happening? So sorry, I didn't feel that. Okay, a lot of cards. Wait, I'm so sorry because I'm just not feeling it. Okay, so spirit guides, angels, what's happening for them in the month of April for group number 1? Okay, that's it. Look, I was talking about newness, right? New inspiration, new ideas, spiritual growth, feeling new, doing new things, joining in a new exercise program, learning some new skill, enjoying your hobby. New inspiration, ideas, communication, newness, spiritual growth, a lot of energy. You will be feeling a lot of energy. That is what I feel like that, okay? And of course, divine is with you. Divine is giving. For some of you, definitely you're getting, if you're a writer, if you blog, if you do YouTube videos, if you do something creative, definitely you're gonna get a lot of inspiration. So take that inspiration in the month of April, okay? Something new, definitely, for sure. Newness, a lot of newness, new ideas. Okay, what else? Communication is very important, okay? So for some of you, your thoughts are also very important. So if you're manifesting something, keep your thoughts very, very positive in the month of April, because it will manifest, okay? So that's an advice for you guys. I'm very drawn to this blue color. Look at the blue colors. For some of you with this blue color, a lot of clarity is coming, a lot of ideas is coming, a lot of answers are going. If you have a lot of questions in your mind, you will be getting answered. Your intuition is also, I'm feeling like, very strong. So trust it. Okay. Okay, we have one more card. Yeah, you have been patiently waiting for the ship to arrive, and I feel like that you will get that ship in the month of, look, yeah, 8 of Pentacles. You have been working very hard. So for some of you, you have been working on a hard or learning a new skill, or maybe you want to, you have been waiting for a letter from the university or something like that. I'm getting here. If you want to study something, maybe you applied for a job or something like that, you have been waiting on. I feel like that will come. Okay, yeah, that communication will come if you have been patiently waiting for. And for others of you, I feel maybe you were trying to travel but you couldn't travel, and that's why you're feeling restricted. Maybe you will relocate somewhere, where maybe you will travel somewhere, and because of that you will feel this newness. Okay, so yeah, definitely that is what I feel for. Yeah, your April months look good. So let's see what is the advice for you guys for the month of April. For what is the advice for my people? Okay, my lovely people. What is the advice for my lovely people for the month of April? Okay, we have one card over here. Oh, building blocks. Okay, wow. So look at that. So some of you are you're building your career, you're building your relationship in the month of April. You're putting the bricks. So don't be in a hurry. As I told you, I don't know, but don't be in a hurry. Brick by brick. Okay, take one step at a time. But I feel like you will be doing like that only. You will be easily balancing things. You will be. For many of you, your April month will be balanced. I feel like you will not be over stressing about things. You will be taking it slow, and yes, if you have been patiently waiting on something, that will arrive, and that will make you that will give you a lot of happiness, and you will be starting to building things. You will be building your relationship, new relationships, your ideas, your career, your passion. Okay, whatever it is, keep on building, guys, because it will be successful. You don't have to worry about anything, but things take time. You need to know that. So sometimes we as human become so impatient, right? We try to plant a seed, and the next day we want it like growing. No, it doesn't happen. We have to put that effort. So keep on putting that effort, because you will be very successful. But definitely April month looks good for you guys, better than the March month. I feel like that. Okay, you will be having that fresh air. You'll be enjoying life, and don't worry, take one step at a time, guys. Okay, that's so we have the affirmations card also, so that will help you in the month of April. So what are the affirmations for my group number 1 people for the month of April? The affirmation for my group number 1. So keep on building and dream. Okay, I'm getting this dream big, and you will make it happen. Okay, start dreaming. Don't put yourself in a comfort zone. Try something different, and that is what is happening with this beginner's mind. You will be trying something different, and that will make you happy. And for some of you, definitely like doing something new career, new job. The letter you have been waiting will come. Okay, don't worry. The ships are coming in. Okay, so let's see what else is the affirmations for my group number 1. Group number 1, what is the affirmation? Okay, wow. Okay, we have, yeah, oh my god, look. So for definitely you have been working on your finances, some of you. So you will be getting a different idea to how to increase your finances. For some of you, you might be getting income through different sources also. So building your income, enjoying. For some of you, I am also getting that if you have been not spending money for the past few months, if you have been like saving it, you will be spending in the month of April, buying new clothes or something like that also, because you don't have to worry about money. Okay, everything will be okay, and if your finances are only growing, and look, this affirmation will help you. So if you have been yeah, for some of you, I feel like you have been struggling with money, or if you want your money to increase, I see you will be making, you will be getting new ideas to do that. But definitely this affirmation will help you. My income is constantly increasing. Okay, don't worry, your income is constantly increasing. I begin now, today, to open myself to ever increasing prosperity. So, yeah, every day is a new day, right? So that is what I feel. You know, okay, you can start anything at any time. It's not necessarily you have to start at the beginning of the year. No, you can start anything at any time, and that is what I feel for you guys. You will be doing in the month of April. You will be feeling very new. You will be feeling good. Interestingly, we have Gemini. You know, Gemini is the third sign, right? We have number 3 here, we have number 3 here. So a lot of 3 right? 3 is all about growth, expansion, creativity, joy, having fun, connecting with the divine. So yeah, that is what is important. And 3 maybe you're seeing 3 so a lot of communication from the divine is happening, a lot of ideas are coming to you in the month of April. So you don't have to worry about anything. All you need to do is change your perspective and feel that air, have fun, enjoy life, and the things you have been waiting for will come. Be patient with you. Okay, yeah, that's all for group number 1. Bye bye, take care. So group number 2, if you chose this card, stars in the sky, limitless possibility, and this aventuring crystal, then this is your reading with me for the month of April. So with the stars in the sky, limitless possibility, so the overall energy is like we have the number 6. So I feel for you guys, don't stop believing in your dreams. There are so many opportunities you will get, a lot of possibilities are there. So sometimes what happens, you know, in the sky there will be a lot of stars, right? We cannot count all of them, right? If we have a lot of stars, we'll not be able to count them, right? Like that, you are going to get a lot of opportunities. There is a lot of possibilities in your life, a lot of you know, you can make your dream a reality. That is what I feel with this card. All you need to do right now is focus. Okay, so the month of April you should put the focus on what you want to achieve in your life, rather on the things that you don't want in your life. So for some of you, if you want a new relationship, or if you want to you know, if you want to improve your relationship in your life, if you want to improve the relationship that you have with yourself, focus on that. Focus on the things that you want to achieve in your life. Focus on your dreams. So if you want to clear an exam, focus on that, rather than what others will think if I fail, what if the questions will be tough. Rather, you know, you don't have to focus on that. Instead, you have to focus on the things you want to do, because with the stars in the sky, this card is saying that your dreams will come true. Okay, take small steps, small, go slow. Look, this person is meditating. So connect with yourself, connect with your own divine wisdom in the month of April. Have a spiritual practice, I would say, and believe in yourself, believe in your dreams. The universe have better plans for you guys. So sometimes if things doesn't work out your way, that doesn't mean that things will not work out for you, because you know, it always happens, right? In our life, sometimes we expect things to move a certain way and it doesn't move a certain way, and we feel so we feel disappointed, we feel like a failure, why things are not happening, we feel like that. So this card is saying you don't have to feel like that. Okay, this card is saying in the month of April, go slow, take one step at a time, believe in yourself, believe in your dreams, because you can make that happen. But if you keep on focusing on the different things rather than your dreams, then it will take more time. So it's time to focus on your dreams. And yes, you will get a lot of opportunities. Universe will be presenting you with a lot of opportunities. Sometimes we human has just a little vision, right, on how things can be for us, but universe has so much. They have so much of abundance, they have so much of clarity than us. So you will be shown that way, you will be given that way. You don't have to think too much. And with the number 6, lot of harmony. You know, after the challenges, after the 5 comes the 6, right? After the challenges is coming the harmony. So if you have been facing that challenges, maybe this challenges is inside of you, that you're feeling that you're not going anywhere, you're not reaching your destination. It's not about the destination, it's about enjoying the journey, isn't it? So please enjoy the journey, have fun, and believe in your dreams, because of course this card is saying your dreams will come true. Okay, universe has better plans for you guys. Universe is with you. They have your back. Okay, so go slow, don't think, overthink, and of course meditate, ground your energy. And if you do that, if you believe in yourself, of course your dreams will be true. And you have limitless opportunities, limitless possibilities. You cannot see that now, but you have that. Remember that. Okay, so let's see what is the overall energy for my group number 2 people. And with this aventuring, lot of abundance, lot of prosperity is there, lot of happiness is coming. But sometimes, we take our own happiness. Why I'm feeling like that way. Sometimes, even if good things happens, we are like, oh my god, so many good things are happening for me, guys. Will this end up in a bad state or something? Like, we overthink, right? So don't do that. Enjoy that good things in your life. Enjoy your life. That is what it's saying. But definitely meditation, I feel like you need to meditate. You need to balance your energy. For some of you, you are over stressing, so balance it out, because nothing is wrong for you guys. What's yours is yours. Okay, so let's see what is it for group number 2 for the April month. What they need to know for the month of April. To know for month of April. Oops, lot of cards. I just want one card. So one card. My group number 2. Okay. Oh wow, Uranus. For some of you, definitely I see like a sudden realization you will have. Okay, sudden realization about something, and that will change your life. Okay, so for some of you it can be an idea that will change your life. Something for some of you it is something unexpected will happen, and because of that things are going to change. For definitely with this Uranus energy, it's like going to be very sudden and unexpected. Okay, for some of you, you might be creating something new that no one has created, or maybe you will get an idea to create something new that is completely different from others, and that will give you a lot of success. Okay, but definitely for others of you, I feel something unexpected will come. Some surprise are gonna happen that will make you very happy. Okay, yeah, something very sudden is gonna happen, that is unexpected, that will be a surprise for you, and you will be so happy. So universe will be surprising you this month. That is what I feel with this Uranus also, right? Yeah, so let's see what else. For some of you it can be a tower moment, but I feel it will be a blessing in disguise. Okay, what is not yours is will be taken away, and what is yours will be given to you. Okay, so if you feel like that things are taken away from you, that is for your own good. Okay, that is also I'm feeling like. But definitely with this Uranus, I feel some sort of breakthrough, some sort of surprise, some sort of happiness. So I am feeling a very good vibe. Something is going to transform in your life that will make you so happy. Or maybe it can be a certain realization also. Sometimes you will like that light bulb will click, and you will be like, yeah, I could do this way, and you will be so excited, and you will be doing that. So yeah, some kind of realizations also I feel like. But this will be sudden. Something sudden will happen in the month of April for you guys. And for some of you, if you're an artist or something, you will be creating something very, very, very different, very unique, and that will give you a lot of happiness, and people will appreciate you. That is also I'm getting. Okay, so let's see what else for my group number 2. What will happen in the month of April for them, for my viewers. Look, Magician card. Wow. So with this also limitless possibilities. Uranus, there is so much possibility, there is so much inside of you. You have everything. You can make anything happen in your life, guys, with this Magician card. Okay, you have that idea, you will get that that idea, and you will have all the resources to make that idea a reality. You are going to be very successful in the month of April. But that is what I feel like. For some of you, definitely if you have been working on a project, that project will be very successful. For some of you, definitely, as I said, with this Magician card, I don't know why. If you have been asking a yes or no question, I'm getting that vibe. It's a yes. Okay, if you are asking that, I don't know, it's a yes, because you have everything. You can make your dreams a reality. So dream big, guys. You have everything inside of you. You have the talent, you have the resources, you have the energy, you have the patience, you have everything to make anything happen in your life. So April month is pretty good for you guys. I feel like your thoughts will be very, very magnetic. I'm getting with this magician card. So have positive thoughts, because you can create your dream life. Okay, so definitely for some of you, you will see your manifestations coming suddenly. Something unexpected will happen. Maybe you never thought that you will get this thing, and you will be getting it. Like, it will be very sudden. It can be an idea also. Okay, that, sometimes we say an idea can change your life. That kind of thing also I'm feeling. So yeah, think big, guys. That is what for April month. Think big, because yes, you can achieve that. You have the potential. You have that. You have that talent to make things happen. You're the magician. You have the limitless possibilities. Again, we have the infinity symbol here, right? Yeah, we can make it happen. So the April month is very good. So meditate. While meditating, visualize, guys. Visualize. I feel like that. And while meditating also, I feel like you might get a lot of info, a lot of answers, a lot of ideas. So take that. Okay, you're the powerful manifestors. So let's see what else. Okay, I'm getting success, victory. A lot of surprise element will be there. You'll be very happy in the month of April. I feel like you'll be proud of yourself. That is what I feel like. Okay, yeah, we have 8 of Pentacles. Yes. So if you have been working on something with this 8 of Pentacles, if you have been working on your career, if you have been studying, if you have been doing something, some exam, if you have been trying to innovate something, if you have been trying to create something unique, yes, you will do it. You will do it. Your work will be very good. That is what, your work is magic. You can create anything. For some of you, definitely with this magician and 8 of Pentacles, you will create something. And Uranus, you will create something different. You will write a book that will be so, for example, you can write a book that will be so different, so innovative, that no one has done before. Something very different, something like you will be presented the idea by the universe, and you will be working on it, and that will be a success. That is what I feel like. You have so much power, guys. You have so much talent. For some of you, you will be realizing your own talent, that for some of you it can be that you will be realizing that you also have a talent. Maybe you were this kind of people who thought that you don't have a talent, and others say that everyone has a talent, and you're like, no, everyone I don't have a talent. If you were like that kind of people, I feel you will be realizing that you are talented. You can make things happen for yourself. For some of you, I'm getting a hobby is going to be turned into a career. You will be getting a lot of opportunities. Freelancing, I'm getting, maybe working from home also. For some of you, getting into a university, I don't know, that is also coming. Maybe university you wanted something related to science. Maybe you will be studying something science. Maybe you will be studying something about stars, or maybe you want to study about astrology. You will be going and you will be studying about that. You will study it very quickly. That is what I feel like. You are so talented people. You are gifted people. Okay, that is what I am getting here. Wow. I'm not kidding. Okay, with this 8 and 9 of Pentacles, this thing will give you a lot of abundance, lot of happiness, lot of growth, lot of financial growth, lot of self love. You'll be loving yourself. You'll be enjoying your life in the month of April. But definitely, oh my God, your cards. Look at your cards, guys. Magician. Look at the colors. Look at the colors. It's all about confidence. Confidence is the key to success. So be confident in yourself. And we have 2 Pentacles energy. It's all the earthly base, right? You can be an earth sign also. But definitely, it's all about your materialistic things, increase in finances, taking care of yourself, enjoying the materialistic things, maybe buying a new home, working on something. Maybe for some of you, you might be changing some decors. I got that in first group 1 also, but for you also, I'm getting it. Maybe changing something, some style, maybe changing your wardrobe, working on your business. Maybe for some of you, your business will take off suddenly. Maybe you're working on your YouTube channel and it will take off suddenly. Something like that sudden, and it will surprise you. And remember, that is all because of you, because you are putting the effort. When you put the effort and when you give that positivity to the universe, when you visualize, when you believe in yourself, when you believe in your dreams, when you believe big for yourself, you will receive it. Okay, so yeah, but I feel for many of you in the month of April, you will be taking care of yourself also. With this 8 and 9 of Pentacles, I feel you will be working so hard. So this is a advice for you guys to take care of yourself. Okay, so spend some, yes, do some spa or do something that makes you happy. Okay, yeah, wow, my God. So April month looks pretty good for everyone, I feel like. Let's see what is the advice for you guys for month of April. For group number 2. Oh, look at, yeah, you will be very confident in yourself. Okay, but yeah, that is the thing. Your advice is also about that, to be confident in yourself. Okay, to enjoy life. Okay, to dance, to listen to your to the heart of your song, sorry, the song of your soul. Okay, that is what I meant. Okay, to listen to the song of your soul. So for some of you, I feel like you have been in this 8 of Pentacles energy, working, nothing is working and finally you're going to see the rewards with 9 of Pentacles. So be confident in yourself, enjoy life, because there will be a lot of happy news coming your way. You will be getting like a lot of surprises, so enjoy that surprise. For some of you, I'm also getting, if you have some sort of success, even if it's a small success, enjoy that success, celebrate that success. Okay, enjoy life. That is your advice. Enjoy life and be confident in yourself, because your confidence, if you're not confident enough, maybe you will not make that change. So it's important, be confident in yourself. Listen to your own intuition, connect with the divine, have a spiritual practice. I would say for you guys, maybe you can create an altar space and you can pray there. That will be very beneficial for you guys. Or at least you can go out, walk in nature, or maybe you can spend some quality time with stars. If you can go out and watch the stars, why not do that in the month of April? But definitely you will be feeling very renewed, very happy, very much confident. And if you don't feel like that, it's an advice from the spirit to be confident and to be confident in your own talent. You can make it. You can make your dreams a reality. That is the thing. It will be starting thing in the April month, and I feel like, yeah, you will be for some of you will be starting, and when we start, it will take time, but definitely you will be that 9 of Pentacles energy. But I feel for many of you, a sudden realization is coming, and take that idea. For some of you, you might not take that idea. If you will not take that idea, you will not be able to do it. So take that idea, grab that opportunity, and yeah, something you can expect the unexpected, guys. For some of you, I feel like in the month of April, you will surprise yourself. That is also happening. So yeah, so let's see the affirmation that will help you for the month of April for my group number 2. I feel for overall, collective, April looks good. Yeah, so let's see what is the affirmation for group number. Okay, yeah, I now go beyond others, people, fears and limitations. Yes, okay, so this is the thing. For some of you, you think, what will others think? Get out. Just maybe for some of you, it can be limited belief that is planted in the childhood, that yeah, you can achieve this much only. We are these people, we are middle class families. And for some of you, it can be like that, we are middle class family, we'll stay like that only, we'll have this much only, will not be that upper class high. Our parents put that limited belief. So get out of that limited belief, because you can create so much. You have so much potential. So you need to work on that. Dream big. As I said, dream big. Get out of your limited beliefs. It is my mind that creates my experiences. Your mind is pretty powerful with this magician. I have to say that. So what you think, you can create, you can manifest that. If you visualize, I feel, yeah, for your visualizations will work. So work on that, guys. Do some visualization meditations. Yeah, maybe positive affirmations, playing positive affirmations. If you want to improve your relationships, or if you want to get some ideas, or if you want to improve your money, just do some positive affirmations at night. It will help you. I feel like that, because your mind is pretty powerful. So when we heal our subconscious mind, so there is some limited beliefs in your subconscious mind. That is what you need to let go of. forgive the people, forgive yourself and move forward, because your mind is pretty powerful. Yeah, you can make so much, you can create something that no one has created. You have so much potential, I'm telling you that. Okay, so believe in yourself, trust in yourself. When some ideas come, don't think that you cannot do it. Sometimes we as humans, I have been seeing these experiences with different people. Even when we get an opportunity, we feel like that we are not worthy of it. We as humans, I feel we have problem receiving. Even if someone gives us some money, we have problem receiving. Even it's like universe is giving us help, if universe is giving us thing, but we are like, no universe, I don't want it, I'm okay with this struggling phase. And then we complain that we struggle, we don't take it, we have problem receiving. I don't know why I'm saying this for you guys, but maybe there are people here who have problem receiving things, maybe receiving money. Maybe if someone do something good for you, you don't like it because you feel like that you're bound to do it again. If someone gives you 100 rupees, you're like, no, I have to return it back, what will they think, because the society has put so much of limited beliefs into us. That is what I feel like. So it's important you let go of it and receive. It's time to receive it, receive that idea, work on that idea. Yeah. So yeah, there's not, remember, money is just an energy. Okay, so I don't know for you guys, I feel like you want to make it yourself, you want to do everything yourself, you have a lot of self-respect, I feel like. So it's okay, it's okay to receive. There are good people who will give you, I'm not telling that you have, but when you receive from the universe, just receive it. Don't say no that time. If you get an opportunity, don't say no. Okay, I don't know if for some of you maybe it's important. That's why I said I'm unlimited in my own ability to create the good in my life. Okay, you have so much of unlimited potential, guys. I'm telling you, with these cards, you have so much potential, and use it wisely, guys. Okay, bye bye, take care. Group number 3, if you chose grace and generosity, this card, then this is your reading. And you have rose quartz, and we have number 3 here. So with this this card is showing me that lot of you have done a lot of good things, you have a lot of good karma. Now it's time to reap that rewards. Okay, lot of gifts, lots of you have been very generous, you have been helping other people, you have been very kind to other people, you have been taking care of other people, but you haven't been receiving that much, right? But now it's the time to receive. It's time for positivity, guys. A lot of positive things gonna happen for you guys. If you have been struggling with your finances, if you have been working on your finances, if you have been working hard, now it's the time to reap. So maybe for some of you, you have been feeling very stuck with your finances, maybe feeling stuck somewhere in your relationship also, but you have been giving, you have been trying your best. Okay, but I see finally the positive things are coming your way. Group number 3, interestingly, you have 3 number, and your group number 3, maybe you're seeing 333s also. So yeah, definitely a lot of happy times are coming, guys. A lot of positivity is coming. Collectively, I feel for April month, things are speeding up for people. Maybe things have been slow till March. From April, things are going to speed up, things will be good. You will be feeling very loved. I feel like that. If you haven't been feeling like that, you'll be loving yourself more, you'll be taking care of yourself more. Universe is taking care of yourself, universe is taking care of you, universe will be giving you a lot of gifts. Something unexpected might also happen, I feel, for you guys. A lot of grace, a lot of happiness. Yes, I feel for many of you, this pile was tested. Your commitment was tested, but finally you passed that commitment. Spirit was testing you. Finally you passed that, and now it's time to reap the rewards. Okay, that is what I feel like. And we have so beautiful this card is. Look at that, we have the crown. Yeah, you have been very wise, you're very wise people, you have been very generous, you have been taking care, like the king take care of these people, right? You have been taking care of the people around you. You might be healing people, you have been giving good advice to people, but you haven't been receiving that much of luck. But now it's time to shine, it's time for your luck. Okay, so let's see what will happen for you guys in the month of April. For what is the main energy for my group number 3 for the month of April? Okay, a lot of cards. Wow, okay, Taurus. Yeah, Taurus is such an earthly based energy, so yeah, you can expect a lot of finances. You will be taking care of your family. You will be, I feel for many of you, you will be feeling very secure in your home. Your home life will be good, your relationship will be good, your finances will be looking good. Yeah, that is what I feel like. Really, I'm getting that energy. You will be very grounded in the month of April. You will not be overthinking. You will be having the finances. So for some of you, if you have been saving, I feel you might be spending some of your money also, but definitely you will be taking care of yourself. Okay, um, you'll be enjoying life. That is what I feel like. You'll be enjoying life in the month of April. You will be feeling very positive around you also. You'll be very grounded. You'll not be overthinking. I feel like that your energy is going to shift with this Taurus. I feel like for some of you, you might be learning something related to makeup. Okay, maybe you'll be start putting on makeup. Okay, very specific message here. You want to learn makeup. If some of you wants to learn makeup, go ahead and do it. Okay, and you will be very patient with yourself also. You'll be taking care of yourself. A lot of new ideas you can expect at this time. Okay, but yeah, you'll be spending some quality time in your home. Happy times in your home. That is what I feel like. You will have enough money for everything. Okay, so you'll not be I don't feel your finances will be bad. It will improve in the month of April. Your finances are improving. Okay, so let's see. Oh wow, strength, Leo energy, a lot of passionate energy. So you have overcome a lot of obstacles in your life. As I said, you have been generous, you have been giving, you have been patient with yourself. You have been patient with your own negativity. You have been working on that. You have been working on your shadow self, right? You have been working with other people also. I feel like for many of you, you have been taming other people also, right? You have been taking care of other people. You're very courageous people. You're very confident people. You have done a lot of good things, and I feel that is what you have done a lot of good things. Now it's time to receive. And with the strength card, you're so courageous. You're more courageous than you think. Okay, you're very very courageous person. You're the lion. You're gonna shine. So whenever you get an opportunity, take action. Okay, take action on that, because it will give you happiness. For some of you, you are letting go of your fear. You're becoming more courageous, and the sun is going to shine on you. Okay, a lot of creative ideas also are coming your way. We got this for group number 2. As I said, our collective is like same. Yeah, you are realizing your own strength in the month of April. You will be realizing your own capability to make things happen for yourself. For some of you, you will be seeing your manifestations coming into life. Okay, with this magician card, if you have been working on certain things, you will be seeing that manifestation. You have been working hard on something also. I feel like you have been putting that effort into that, and yes, that thing is going to manifest for you guys. Okay, you're the magician. You're very powerful manifestors. Your mind is very very powerful. There is so much opportunities coming for you guys to make that money, to have that good relationships, and you're very courageous, you're very giving, and yes, yes, you will receive it back. Okay, what else for my group number 3? Leo energy is so yeah. Finally, with this 10 of Wands, you have been very resilient, you have been obedient, you have been working. Even though you didn't see the results, you were not giving up. You have been working. Finally you will reach it. You're going to reach your destination. You're going to reap your rewards. And the sun, we have 2 Leo signs here coming. Maybe you're Leo, or maybe you're Taurus, or Gemini. Okay, I'm getting that vibe here. Okay, but anyhow, look at the 3 cards. What you have 3 major arcanas, right? And that too good positive major arcanas. So of course, as I said, Be ready for positive things in your life. Your home life will be fantabulous. Your career will be going good. Everything you desire, you can make it happen because you're so courageous. You're not afraid of any obstacles. You have been giving so much to the society. So be proud of yourself. You have been taking care of other people. Now it's time to shine. Now it's time to enjoy life. Now it's time to follow your passion. Okay, you will be very happy, very positive. You will be feeling very free, very light. You will be smiling all over the April month, and you will be enjoying life. At the same time, you will be giving so much to other people and you will be receiving it back, guys. So you are talented, you are gifted, you can make anything happen. Manifestations are coming for you guys in the month of April. Things are going to speed up for you guys in the month of April. Yeah, a lot of love wise also, I feel a lot of love is coming your way. Your child will be, if you have children, your children will be pouring love into love. They will be giving it back to you. You will be pampered. Okay, I'm feeling like that. Maybe for some of you might be celebrating some of your anniversaries or something like that, or birthdays, because we have Taurus, and yes, April 21 Taurus starts. So maybe maybe you'll be enjoying your birthday, but definitely good. So I have to say, collectively April looks good. So yeah, with the Sun card, what do you have to know anything anymore? Happy times, happy. Okay, no more struggle, guys. You have overcome so much. You're very courageous people. Okay, so let's see what is the advice for my group number 3. Yeah, okay, time to go. Okay, for this pile, this woman is like going and opening a door and moving forward in her life. So it's time to let go of the worries. It's time to let go of the things that didn't work out. Okay, it's time to let go of all the things that is not good for you. But I feel like you will be, for some of you, you might be holding on to something. So this is an advice: don't hold on to something that is not working for you guys. So it's time to let it go and move forward, because there is so much possibilities, there is so much good waiting for you guys. So don't hold on to that situation. When we hold on to that situation, you have so much of potential here, so much of happiness coming. So if you hold on to something that is not good for you, if maybe an idea, maybe an habit that is not good for you, or something that is not good for you, it's time to go. It's time to leave that part of you and move into a phase where there's a door and you open it. There's so much of blessings. Okay, so yeah, time to go. Okay, so that is an advice. So maybe for some of you, you need to let go of something that is holding you back from your own potential. Okay, so that is what you need to work on, because when you do that, the energy is so good, guys. So much of blessing, so much of happiness. So if there is a project that is not working and you've been doing it and you're not seeing it progress, maybe you need to take a different idea, or maybe you need to take a different approach that will help you grow that thing. Okay, so something you need to leave behind. Okay, okay, so let's see what is your affirmation here. And 9, we have 9, completion. Things are completing, right? So yeah, I'm sure you will be walking away from this thing, and I'm sure you will be. For some of you, it can be just doing something risky, like with the strength, doing something risky, doing something different, getting out of your comfort zone. It can be that also. For some of you, definitely what is this, what you need to let go. Maybe you're some situation you need to let go. Okay, or maybe it's your overthinking or limited belief you need to let go and move on to the next stage, because there's so much happiness coming for you guys. You're meant to have that all the things, all the materialistic things, enjoying life, having a house, taking having family, having a good career. You will be feeling like that in the month of April with this Taurus. You're gonna enjoy all the things in your life. But for sometimes, even though we have things in our life, we don't see the good in it. Okay, sometimes we don't see the things we already have achieved in our life. So it's important you give credit to yourself for the things you have already achieved. So be thankful for that and appreciate yourself more each day, okay? Because you're so beautiful people, you're so positive people, you have been taking care of other people, now it's time to receive. And for some of you it can be like taking stand for yourself if you haven't been, okay? So let's see what is the affirmation for my group number 3 people for month of April. Oh my god, what is this? Okay, so just give an affirmation that will help for my group number 3 for the month of April month of April. Okay. I am worth loving. Yes, you are. As I said, you are loving. You need to love. For some of you, you need to embrace more self-love. You know, I feel like you have been giving a lot. You have been working for others. You have been doing their work. You have not been giving something to yourself. You have been taking care of your children, you have been taking care of your husband or your wife, you have been doing this, you have been doing that, but at the same time when it comes to give to something to yourself, you don't do it. So it's important that you buy something for yourself, okay? If you have been making some money, so spend some things, buy something for yourself, okay? So that is what I'm getting. So because I feel your relationships are also going to be, yeah, I feel relationships are going to improve, but first you need to love yourself more, okay? Time to let go of the things that is holding you, okay? So something you need to let go of, okay? So I am worth loving. So maybe for some of you, you have a hard time saying I love you to yourself. So look into the mirror and say I love you, okay? That is important, to love everything about yourself, to accept who you are. Take spend, don't be guilty for spending some quality time for yourself, going enjoying some some solitude. For some of you, getting in don't be guilty of watching a movie by yourself, something like that. Take care of yourself. That is important for you guys, okay? I do not have to earn love. I am lovable because I exist. Yeah, so maybe for some of you, you have been trying. Maybe a relationship that is not working. Maybe you need to let go of it because you are undervaluing yourself. So take take charge of your life, love yourself, and move from that. Okay, so something you need to let go of. And when you let go of, you will see the potential you have. It is a very courageous thing to do because we have the strength card, right? It's a very courageous thing to do, but you will make everything happen. You will create, you're the magician, you can create your life, okay? But you need to let go of something that is stopping you to create that life you want, the happy life you want. All you want is happiness, right? But you will get that, but you need to let go of this thing. Love yourself more, okay? That is very important. For some of you, I'm getting that you have problem loving yourself. Maybe you're codependent on someone for love. You need to let it go, okay? Take charge of yourself because you have the potential to make things happen for yourself, okay? So others reflect the love I have for myself, okay? So when you love yourself, you will see the love from others also. So yeah, so love yourself. That is it for group number 3. Bye bye, take care.